Hi everyone, my name is Mehru and I work for Southwest Airlines. I've been given the opportunity to become an ID90 travel ambassador and I wanted to share a little bit more about myself with all of you. Working for SWA isn't just a job, but rather a way of life for me. I love having the ability to decide my next destination on a whim. I'm seriously passionate about travel and I want to motivate everyone to live their best #NonRevLife. Although I've enjoyed every single one of my trips, my favorite trip to date has been Thailand. On my last visit, we visited an elephant sanctuary and I got the chance to learn about these gentle giants up close and personal. It was truly a magical experience and one that I will never forget. My travel advice for those hesitant to explore this world would just to be get out there and explore because you never know what you might find.